Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever thought about upgrading your hair trimming and clipping game, this review might just change your perspective. Today, we're taking a look at the Andis Professional Stylist Combo Hair Clipper and Trimmer 17-piece set. Whether you're a professional stylist or just someone who loves a good grooming session at home, this set promises to give you a close, precise cut with ease. Let's dive into what this set offers. The Envy Clipper is designed to work on all hair types, whether wet or dry, and features a high-speed, adjustable blade for a truly customizable cut. It comes with 6 attachment combs, ranging from 1/8 inch to 1 inch, giving you a lot of versatility to experiment with different hair lengths. Plus, the ergonomic design of the clipper means it's lightweight and balanced, reducing strain on your wrist even during longer grooming sessions. Not to mention, the motor is whisper quiet and stays cool, making it ideal for a comfortable, uninterrupted experience. Along with the clipper, the professional T-outliner trimmer offers fine teeth on its close-cutting blade, which means precise outlining and fading. If you're someone who values clean lines and detailed cuts, this trimmer could be a real game changer. And the trimmer's contour design ensures it's comfortable to hold, even during long periods of use, with 4 attachment combs ranging from 1/16 inches to 3/8 inches. Now, I can't speak for men's grooming products on a personal level, but my husband was more than happy to step in for the hands-on review. He has experience using various clippers and trimmers, so he had some solid insights into how this set performed. Using the Andis combo set was, for the most part, smooth and efficient. The clipper glided through his hair effortlessly, and he really liked how easy it was to switch between the attachment combs. The T-outliner trimmer was great for those finer details around the ears and neckline, giving a super clean finish that even he, someone who takes his grooming seriously, appreciated. It really shines when it comes to creating defined, sharp lines. The only slight drawback we noticed was that the clipper, while generally quiet, could get a little warm with prolonged use, especially if you're trimming a thicker hair type. It's not a deal breaker, but definitely something to be mindful of if you plan to use it for long grooming sessions. In terms of value for money, this 17-piece set offers a lot of bang for your buck. For the price, you get not just the clippers and trimmer, but a comprehensive set of attachment combs and other accessories that enhance the overall grooming experience. Given the build quality and versatility, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about hair trimming. When comparing this set to other clippers in the same price range, the Andis set stands out for its quiet motor, ergonomic design, and precision. While there are cheaper options available, this one feels more robust and is built to last, making it worth the extra investment, especially for those who want a professional-level result at home. The build quality of both the clipper and trimmer feels sturdy, and the attachments snap into place easily. This set doesn't feel like it'll fall apart after a few uses. Plus, with the included storage case, keeping everything organized and easily accessible is a breeze. Overall, the Andis Professional Stylist Combo Hair Clipper and Trimmer set offers a high-performance grooming experience with solid features, making it perfect for anyone looking for versatility and precision. Whether you're just starting out or already have experience with clippers, this set is versatile enough to meet your needs. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know what you think. I always love hearing your experiences. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.